Hey, welcome back to Talk English with AI, where we learn English through simple conversations. Today we are talking about your first hour of the day, because how you start your morning decides how you live your life. This conversation is for beginner to intermediate learners. So, listen carefully, feel the rhythm, and open your mind. Welcome, Sam. Sam, how do you usually start your morning?
Thanks, Elena. Happy to be here, but honestly, I am stressed. I wake up, check my phone, scroll through Instagram for 30 minutes, and then I rush to work.
Haha. Oh, Sam, that's a recipe for stress. You are giving your morning energy to other people's lives instead of your own. You need a routine.
But I'm not a morning person. Is it really that important?
Yes, absolutely. Think of your day like a race. If you start with a heavy mind, you can't run far. You need to own your day before the world owns you.
So no phone? Just sitting there?
Yes, try the power hour. 20 minutes of movement, 20 minutes of silence, and 20 minutes of learning. Maybe by listening to this podcast. It makes your mind steady.
Wow. So instead of rushing, I should focus on myself first. That sounds peaceful. But Elena, what if I have a busy schedule? How do I make time?
It's not about having time. It's about priorities. If you don't design your day, someone else will. A morning routine gives you clarity. It stops you from reacting and helps you start acting on your goals. Now let's look at the important words from today's talk. Routine, a fixed way of doing things regularly. A morning routine keeps you organized.
Recipe for stress. Something that is very likely to cause stress. Example, checking emails in bed is a recipe for stress.
Steady, calm and stable. A good start makes your mind steady.
Priorities. The things that are more important than others. Example, make your health a priority.
We hope this episode helps you start your tomorrow with new energy.
Remember, we are building a massive YouTube family here at Step Up Podcast. If you want to design a better life and master English, join our family by subscribing. Win the morning and you will win the day. Stay motivated and keep stepping up. See you in the next episode.